bounds.
Hi guys, welcome to our lesson number 5, the buzzer. And for this lesson, we're going to make a sound using the buzzer. And if you are curious how we can find the positive and negative side of this buzzer when you can see it below it, then let's just flip this one and you can see the positive side and the negative. So this is the positive and the other side, of course, it's negative. By the way, we are using the buzzer. We have the Arduino Uno board, the breadboard, and connecting wire. So let's put this on the breadboard. So again, the positive side is the plus sign here. Let's put this way. Again, what are the pins? Okay, let's make sure that we know where the pins are. So we don't have to mess with the connection. Okay, and then let's push it. So that's the connection there, and make sure that you are aligned with its pin. Then the positive side will be on pin number 12. So because that's what we indicated in our code, and of course the negative side will be on its ground. So let's finalize the ground. So to make sure that you are on the proper connection, let's count this one: 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and ground. So this will be our connection again. As you can see, we have pin number 12 and the ground. The pin number 12 will be on the positive side of the buzzer, and the ground of the buzzer will be on the ground of Arduino Uno. Now let's fire it up. Let's connect it to a power source. So before that, we need to upload the code. So the code is given on the link of this YouTube channel or YouTube video. Again, the Arduino code for this project is on the link of this YouTube video. Now let's fire it up and connect it to the power source. And let's see what happens next. So as you can see, you have the sound there. Can you hear it? Yes, that's the sound, the tone that we have configured in our Arduino Uno code. If you want to modify the sound of this buzzer, you just need to alter it in your Arduino code, and whatever tone that you want to explore or to innovate and to upload in your Arduino code, you can possibly do it.